My new house.
Your new house? Alright, I thought you were robbing the place.
No. Come inside, check it.
When did you get this?
Got this about 10 days ago.
10 days, eh? Are you sure you haven't just robbed someone and took the keys?
Definitely not robbed anybody with this one.
Oh, too dark here.
It's a bit dark here. I've got the thingy.
I think I'm going upstairs.
Just to do the...
Yeah. Alright, not bad. How much on the mortgage?
Cash.
Cash.
Alhamdulillah.
Iftikhar, do you like the house?
Yes, actually.
It's camera shy.
He's always shy, man.
You. Don't worry, no one's gonna come nick it.
What do you think of it?
I'm just buzzing off the exhaust, double exhaust. What's the BHP? It's probably going to be like 120 or something, 130, 40 maybe.
No, it's about 170, isn't it? 170, yeah. 170.
Iftikhar, can you handle the power?
It's the S-line.
Yeah, no.
No.
Smells new.
It's
Better looking than your mini
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise, one shot now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still.
video clips or anything.
No, when I spoke to him on the phone, he goes, I check all
Is he
your...
on video now?
Yeah, it's on video. There he goes. Move! That way! You know the way. Don't scare him. Bye-bye.